Welcome to this class on IELTS Writing Task 2. In IELTS Writing Task 2, you will be given a topic on which you will have to write a minimum of 250 words. It's suggested to write a little bit more than 250 words because that is 250 words is the minimum target. You should try to write like something 310 for ensuring that you are confident and for properly developing the content of your writing. In this series of classes on IELTS Writing Test 2, I'll discuss the whole thing. I'll talk about 10 important things which are very important and essential for anyone to know to ensure higher banded score in IELTS Writing Test 2. And I'll discuss the whole thing in 2 classes. And this is the first class. So let's begin and know what are those things which are really so important for us to know for IELTS Writing Test 2. Well, the first point is all parts of the prompt are addressed. Ensure that you are addressing all of the parts, okay? Showing your information and talking about all relevant parts within the scope of your topic. Okay, sometimes it happens that many of the writers mistakenly forget to address all of the parts. Okay, your examiner understand that your idea isn't developed in the full sense if you do something like this. The second important point is clear position should be presented. Look, remember, in your IELTS Writing Test 2, you will be given a topic where you will have to give your opinion, okay? Frequently it happens that many writers do not clearly mention which position they are taking. If they're supporting the topic, the motion, which is given in the question, or they are taking the opposite position, they are disagreeing with the topic. Okay, so it's very important to ensure in the very beginning part of your writing that you ensure which position you are taking. Okay. The third very crucial point that you need to remember for complete or better banded score in IELTS, that main idea is extended and supported. Okay, you need to extend the main idea. Well, ensure this. Sometimes it happens that some writers just keep focusing on a very narrow or partial segment of a writing task, of IELTS Writing Task 2, and they just keep speaking and writing on the same topic. They ignore the fact that they aren't developing a complete idea. Okay, and supporting means you need to support your idea. Which position you're taking, whether you're writing whether you are supporting it or you are not supporting it. Fourthly, remember that you are organizing, you're writing the different parts of your idea or in a very organized and logical way, well, rather than taking a haphazard way of writing, of giving your ideas, well, and then writing different parts of your ideas. Ensure that you are organizing it very logically, well. And the fifth point is that you need to ensure that clear progress throughout the response. Okay, you need to ensure that you have a clear progress throughout the response. Look, what I mentioned, at the very beginning, you must clear the position you are taking in case of writing your IELTS Writing Test 2. Are you supporting this or are you disagreeing with the idea presented in the question? Well, after you take a clear position, and make it clear to the examiner in the very first paragraph, ensure that you are developing, there is a very clear progress throughout the idea, throughout your position, okay? So, of course, and it's also a very good idea that in the very ending paragraph you're writing, you also, repeat somewhat your position. Whether you are agreeing or disagreeing to the given topic of IELTS Writing Test 2. Well, so that's all for today's class of first part of this series of classes on IELTS Writing Test 2. In our next class, we'll talk about the remaining 5 very important points which an examiner must know and apply in his writing for ensuring that he or she gets the full mark or more than average band score in IELTS. Okay. Apart from these things, you must ensure that your writing skill is is very standard. Okay, you don't make frequent grammatical mistakes. Okay, and very silly mistakes while writing. Okay, this is a must and fundamental thing. But apart from those things, also any examiner must be careful about these 5 points that I mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching the whole video.